See, I have Suzlon at the rate of 52,000 shares. Is it now worth adding, or it's better to come out, or I don't mind waiting for 6 months to 1 year minimum?
Right. Nilesh, your view on Suzlon?
See, Suzlon, looking at the structure, it is constantly forming a low top and low bottom formation. To negate this bearish setup, it is important to take out 58 levels on the upside. That's again long-term 200 exponential moving average. That is also exactly placed at 58 levels. So I would rather wait for a breakout above that. Then it's a buy for upside target of 70 plus. But as of now, if somebody has already bought into this particular counter, then keep a stop loss at 50 and stay put is the advice.
All right, the next one is on Coal India. Shahid is asking this question, wants to know if he can make an entry right now for the next 1 to 2 years. Samir, I'll come to you on this one. What's the view like?
So yeah, we've discussed this. Coal India, we remain positive. We think it's a good investment from a yield point of view, from steady state return, low risk kind of a business model. So if you are a low risk taking person who wants about 12% return, Coal India is an ideal investment. If you're looking for slightly higher returns, which I generally do when I invest in equity, it would not be the play, but it depends on your investment profile. Otherwise, it's a buy for me.
Next query is from Rajiv Jain from Delhi. He has bought 100 shares of NRB Bearing, around bought at a price of 300 rupees around 20 days back. He wants to know whether should he continue to hold this counter for short or long term. Samir, any view on NRB Bearings?
Sorry, we don't cover this. If you can give this to a technical person, please.
Nilesh, any technical view on NRB Bearing?
Well, technical setup looks weak. It is on the verge of a breakdown. If it breaks below 270, then it will be considered as a structural breakdown. Then we may see the levels of 260 and 250 as well on the lower side. So the better strategy would be to exit on pullbacks, or if somebody wants to stay put, then keep a strict stop loss at 268. And if you get any pullback towards 285 or 290, use that pullback to exit because the structure is looking slightly sideways to weak.
The next one is on Mazagon Dock. Srikanta from Bangalore is asking this. He's got 57 shares of Mazagon Dock at 700 rupees, holding from the past 2 years, sitting on profits of over 1 lakh rupees. Wants to know if he can book profits right now or continue to hold. Samir, what would be the view?
So for my view, Mazagon Dock, you have to book profits. I find valuations very rich. Look, we all understand that the defense is going to see good traction over the next many years. But what's going to happen is the stock is going to consolidate because of the high valuation multiples, because those need to come down. So two things can happen. Either the stock price can correct or the stock is going to move sideways. In either case, you're not going to make money. So for me, sell it. You can re-enter the stock later in the future, maybe a year down the line, either at a lower price or a similar price, and find something in the meantime to make money on in the next 1 year. So for me, it's a sell at this point.
The next query is from Mamta, and she wants to know whether is it a right time to buy REC for a period of 2 to 3 years. Samir, your view on REC?
Oh, absolutely. So that was one of the stocks we recommended when we were asked of IRFC. So REC and PFC are both very, very good. If you ask me again, I choose PFC over REC. And the only reason I do that is because when you buy PFC, 51% of REC is owned by PFC. So you get a play on REC, plus you get the PFC book, loan book, which is also growing. So I think both are great investments, but PFC over REC.
Okay, all right.